In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the artboard size in Canva. So first of all, open the Canva application or visit the Canva website on a web browser and log into your account. After you're logged in, select an existing design or create a new design that you'd like to work on with. After you open up the design, if you want to resize or change the artboard size, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top of the screen. In the expanded pop-up menu, click on Resize. Now, from the Resize option, tap on the Resize button once again. In order to resize your artboard or change the artboard size, you will need to be a Canva Pro subscriber. If you are not yet, tap on the Try It for Free button at the bottom and then tap on Start My Free Trial. Select the monthly or yearly options from the subscription page and tap on Start Trial and Subscribe button. You will get a 14-day trial which you can cancel anytime, and after 14 days, you will need to pay for your Pro subscription. Once you have the Pro subscription for Canva, you can easily go ahead and resize your design whenever you want. Choose between the category from the screen. You can also choose the suggested size option under the suggested tab. Select the predefined size from the list, or if you want to manually enter your desired width and height for the artboard, tap on the custom size button. Now enter your width, height for the design, and finally, you can apply the changes to your design. So that is how you can easily change your artboard size on Canva. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.